Most of the applications in the App Store are paid. Consider a situation like this. You want an application, it's paid on the App Store. You can't buy it. Maybe you bought it and after that you understood that it is not the application that you're quite looking for. You just lost a couple of money right there, isn't it? How can you mitigate the situation? How can you avoid that? How can you improvise? That's why I'm here. Welcome to another episode of TechTube. As an iPhone user, you might have come across this situation quite often, haven't you? So it is in these situations you might have considered switching to Android. And yeah, in Android, I admit it's quite easier and it's quite flexible. You can install any application you want, even if it's paid or not. You can just get that from the web, right? As an APK and install that, sideload it, etc. But Apple is so constrained. They don't want you to venture out into the open, get some applications, untrusted application, and get into some security issues, right? That's what they do, and that's a good thing too. But considering a user who have paid a lot of money for the devices, and if you're not able to install the application that you want on your phone at your will, that can cause a lot of problems, right? So there's a solution for that one, and what I suggest you to do is sideloading. So what is sideloading? Sideloading is exactly how Android users install applications from the web. You just download an APK application, a package, and just manually install it on your phone. It's quite simple, right? In Apple, if you want to do that, you have two ways to do it. One is actually jailbreaking your phone. So after jailbreaking, it's quite easier to sideload applications. And the second way is by installing Altstore. So Altstore is another application you can use to accomplish this one. So how can you install Altstore and how safe it is? Altstore is pretty well maintained. It has zero flaws as of now. So how can you install Altstore? You just need a Windows PC and a hotspot. That's it. That's all what you need to install Altstore. And now there's a disclaimer. I myself in no way encourage any one of you to install any of these applications or sideload any of these applications to your phone. This video is purely for education purposes, and with that out of the way, let's get into the video of how you can actually sideload applications for your iPhone. Now open your PC. I'm using Windows 10 here. For this to work, you can use either Windows 8 or 10. Open the browser and type in Altstore. Click on the first link, and from here click on Windows Beta, and it will take some time for the file to be downloaded into PC. It's usually of 6.3 MB in size, and after you download that, open that, extract that, and the application would be installed on your PC. Now there is two parts for this to work. One would be a server-based application installed on your PC, and the second one would be an application on your phone itself. So this needs to be connected. Okay, so I'm clicking on Altserver here on my PC. So let's minimize this to Windows, and this is how it will look like in system tray. Click on that, install Altstore and on your device, and there you just give your Apple credentials, and voila, application will be installed on your phone. This is how the application will look like on your phone. And here I downloaded a Filmic Pro IPA, and click on the plus button to select that IPA from this application, and it will take some time for this to be installed, and that's it. The application will be installed on your phone. Now this video was entirely dedicated to you users who I assume are mostly non-jailbroken users. Okay, so I have an entire new video on how you can actually sideload your applications on a jailbroken device, and I'm planning to do that in the coming week or so. So stay tuned to TechTube. And to be honest with you all guys, sideloading is pretty much easier on the jailbroken part. I have an entirely different section on how you can actually jailbreak your device. It's an entirely different section, so I'm putting a different video for that in the top right section of this video. So kindly check that out and do let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below. So this has been part 1 of 2 parts of how you can actually sideload applications in your iPhone. I assume this tutorial was pretty much helpful to all of you, and you might have saved a lot of bucks right there, right? That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys got my point. Drop down comments if you have any in the comment section below, and do let me know what you think of this video. Give a like, subscribe to this channel for more amazing tech videos in future. Take care guys, bye.